How to make your learning journey memorable and fun. Part 1 of 2. Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers! Ready to turn your study sessions into epic adventures? Let's dive into some supercharged tips to make your learning journey not just productive, but downright unforgettable. 1. Create a clear path. Chart your course. Set specific, achievable goals and break them down into bite-sized, manageable tasks. It's like building a roadmap to your learning success, ensuring you always know your next exciting step. Visualize your progress and reward yourself for each milestone to stay motivated. 2. Use a narrative structure. Turn your learning into a story. Organize your content with a beginning, middle, and end to keep it engaging and cohesive. Every chapter of your study story builds on the last, making it easier to follow and more enjoyable. Imagine you are the hero of your learning adventure, facing challenges and conquering them one by one. 3. Include immersive techniques. Mix it up. Dive into podcasts, videos, articles, and songs to keep your learning fresh and fun. Engage your brain with higher-level processing by connecting new info to what you already know and choosing the best way to learn it. Try integrating hands-on projects or real-world applications to deepen your understanding. 4. Provide physical takeaways. Get hands-on. Use participant guides, job aids, or any physical resources to help you remember key points and reinforce your learning. Having something tangible can make your study sessions more interactive and memorable. Create a personal learning journal to document your insights and revisit them regularly. 5. Celebrate milestones. Woohoo, you did it! Celebrate every achievement with leaderboards, certificates, or shout-outs in your study group. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and proud of your journey. Throw mini celebrations for yourself, like a favorite treat or a fun activity, to keep the positive momentum going. 6. Practice active learning. Get involved. Take notes, summarize key points, discuss concepts with friends, or teach what you've learned. Active engagement helps cement the knowledge and makes it stick. Challenge yourself with quizzes or practice problems to test your understanding and retention. Well, as you can see, by weaving these strategies into your study routine, you're not just learning. You're creating a vibrant, memorable journey that boosts your knowledge and skills to new heights. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, your journey to knowledge is an adventure worth every moment. See you in the next video.